This is tutorial for your handstand, split handstand from Cupid. I'm not sure of the correct name for this, I think it's got many. So we'll call it a Cupid split variation handstand, something like that. So I'm going to hook the inside leg from there, and that outside hand is just underneath that top leg. Top hand is just where you positioned it in the first place. So we're there, bending the bottom knee, scooter onto the pole, make sure you're comfortable and you've got grip in the top leg and the bottom foot, and then reach over, so let go with the top hand, and then if you can get that hand on the floor, you're going to push through the bottom leg to lift your bum up to the ceiling, like that, and then drop, put the foot down, lift back up. So get to there a few times before you move on to the next part. So the key point in that is to really drive the weight into the bottom leg so that you can lift your hips up higher. So I'm just getting my chalk off. So let's try this side. So we've got that leg on, our hands underneath. As I've just said, you're taking that top hand off, so you're going like that. Obviously that bottom foot's going to be on the pole. It's there. Okay, let's try that together. So bottom foot's going on, bending the knee, lifting the foot, releasing the top arm to there, and then I'm going to lift my hips up by pushing this bottom foot into the pole, extending in the top leg, and then if I feel okay, I lift that top leg off. Take it back on, and then lift. So you can take this into a few other moves, but it's good to learn it in isolation first. So go give that a go, and yeah, maybe play around with different textures as well, and let me know what you think of it.